Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Narol is a small rural community in the province of Manitoba, located in the rural municipality of St. Clements, just northeast of Winnipeg. It sits along Highway 59, not far from the Red River, in a landscape made up of farmland, small acreages, and scattered homes. Narol is not a town with a dense core or major commercial center. Its population is very small, generally only a few hundred people spread across rural properties and nearby areas, with most daily services accessed in surrounding communities or in the city. The history of Narol is closely tied to the broader story of the Red River Valley. Before European settlement, this region was part of the traditional territory of Indigenous peoples including Cree, Anishinaabe, and Métis communities. The Red River served as a major transportation route, connecting communities through canoe travel and later fur trade networks. The river corridor was one of the most important lifelines in central North America, long before roads or modern infrastructure were established. European settlement in this area increased after Manitoba joined Confederation in 1870. The fertile soil of the Red River Valley attracted farming families, and rural settlements gradually formed across the region. Unlike larger nearby centers, Narol did not develop as a major town. Instead, it emerged as a loosely defined rural community shaped by agriculture and proximity to the river. The land here was divided into farms and homesteads, forming the pattern that still defines the area today. Agriculture has always been the foundation of the local economy. The surrounding Red River Valley is known for its rich, flat farmland, which supports crops such as canola, wheat, soybeans, and barley. The land is highly productive, but it is also shaped by the river's natural flood cycles. Spring flooding has historically influenced settlement patterns, drainage systems, and farming practices throughout the region, including around Narol. Transportation has played an important role in shaping Narol's development. Highway 59 connects the area to Winnipeg and other nearby communities, making it accessible while still maintaining a rural character. In earlier times, smaller road networks and river crossings were the main connections between settlements. As transportation improved over the 20th century, Narol became more integrated into the commuter and agricultural landscape surrounding the city. The Red River remains a defining feature of the region, even though Narol itself is set slightly back from its banks. The river has influenced everything from land fertility to settlement layout. It also continues to shape environmental management in the area, especially during periods of high water in the spring. The broader river system is a central part of life in southern Manitoba, affecting both rural communities and larger urban centers. In modern times, Narol functions primarily as a rural residential and agricultural area. Many residents live on farms or large properties, and others use it as a quiet residential base while working in nearby communities or in Winnipeg. There is no major commercial district within Narol itself, and most services are accessed in neighboring towns or along the city's northern edge. This gives the area a quiet, low-density character. The landscape around Narol reflects the broader Red River Valley environment. It is mostly flat, with open fields, shelter belts of trees, and wide prairie skies. Wildlife is common in the area, especially birds and small mammals that thrive in agricultural and river-adjacent environments. The changing seasons are pronounced, with warm summers that support farming activity and long winters that quiet the landscape under snow and ice. Today, Narol represents a simple but important part of Manitoba's rural structure. It is not a destination defined by attractions or a dense town center, but rather a working landscape shaped by farming, river, geography, and proximity to a major urban center. For travelers passing through, it offers a clear view of the Red River Valley's everyday life, where agriculture and open land continue to define the region's identity. Thanks for watching!